So guys, welcome to our channel once again. In today's video on our JAMB CRK exam revision series, we have here these 3 JAMB repeated questions to answer on the topic Jesus teaching about himself. So guys, this video will be about the bread of life, so ensure to stay till the end of this video. Let's go ahead and start with the first question here. It says, according to the synoptic of John, the statement, "This is indeed the prophet who is come into the world," was made by the A. people present at the feeding of the 5,000, B. Pharisees during the baptism of Jesus, C. people who witnessed the turning of water into wine, D. disciples of Jesus when he walked on the sea. So guys, the answer to this question is option A, people present at the feeding of the 5,000. So that's it for this question. Let's go ahead and check out the next question, guys. So we have here, Jesus had compassion for the 5,000 people fed by him because they were A. poor and had no money to buy food, B. like sheep without a shepherd, C. strangers from the country and villages far away, D. hungry but had no time to eat. So guys, the answer to this question is option B. They were like sheep without a shepherd. So that is for this question, and option B is the answer to this question. So let's head on to the next question quickly. And here is it, question number 3 of 3. That's the last question for this video. So Jesus left for the other side of the sea when the multitude that came to him had been fed because A. he needed time for himself alone, B. the people wanted to test him, C. the people sought after him for feeding and miracles, D. he needed to pray. So guys, the answer to this question is option C here. The people sought after him for feeding and miracles. So that's it for this video, and this is where we'll end this video for today. If you enjoyed this lesson, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you're not yet a subscriber. Also, if you have any specific question for this video, you can drop your question on the comment section below and we'll be sure to give you a response. So finally guys, we want to encourage you to join our YouTube channel community where we'll post major updates on JAMB examinations. You can join this channel community by hitting the join button below and we'll see you right there. Thank you once again for watching this video. See you on the next one.